Formax presents the Atlas C150 Automatic Pile Feeding Creaser. The Atlas C150 is a powerful, accurate, easy-to-use auto-feeding creaser that meets the quality demands of high-volume digital finishing. In today's print world, on-demand digital printing has become the standard for fast turnaround and short-run jobs. Finishing the piece properly for a professional, high-quality look is a key part of the process. When it comes to folding digitally printed pieces, creasing is essential to avoid cracking and tearing on the folded edges. As shown here, without creasing, the folded piece is cracked and looks of poor quality, while the creased piece looks clean and professional. Accuracy, power, durability, and ease of use separate this auto-feeding creaser from all the rest. The Atlas C150 features a powerful air suction pile feeder with lead-edge tracking registration and multiple sensors for accurate feeding of paperweights up to 400 GSM. Automatic adjustments and a state-of-the-art intuitive color touchscreen ensure quick and easy setup. Let's take a closer look at how the C150 creaser works. To begin, load the printed pieces onto the feeder and set the feeding guides. The standard extension tray can be pulled out to accommodate sheets up to 15 inches wide by 51 inches long. With the sheets in position, it's time to enter the creasing configuration. The Atlas C150 is pre-programmed for 9 popular crease types in 6 different sizes, along with 5 settings for perfect bound book covers. In addition, users can program and save an unlimited number of custom jobs. Using the color touchscreen panel, select the crease type and paper size. The C150 will adjust the crease settings automatically. Switching between crease settings is easy. Simply select the new crease type and press Enter. With the settings entered, press Start. Sheets are processed consistently at speeds of up to 8,500 per hour. Multiple sensors monitor the infeed for variations and make adjustments on the fly for enhanced performance and accuracy. The quick-release dual creasing module allows for the option of up and down creasing or creasing and cross-perforating in a single pass. The quick-release system requires no tools, which allows creasing and perforating matrices to be changed in seconds. Simply push down and pull to release the top cover. Remove the matrix. Rotate or replace the matrix. Then reinstall the top cover. Let's take a closer look at the rugged and innovative design of the creaser matrix. Atlas creasers feature a heavy-duty creasing mechanism which utilizes a channel and anvil to create the crease. This embosses the printed sheet and eliminates cracking of the folded edge, providing a clean, professional piece. A rotary perforator tool is standard equipment, which is easily attached to the exit feed rollers to add perforations at the same time the piece is being creased. An optional cross-perforation kit is available that can be run in line with both the creasing matrix and the rotary perforator to maximize creasing and perforation finishing options. The Formax Atlas C150 Automatic Creaser is the most versatile and efficient creaser on the market, with the power, ease of setup and operation, durability, and accuracy essential for today's digital print finishing.